Hey everyone, it is June and we have the gorgeous wreath supply box in front of us. I want to go ahead and show you how beautiful this little heart can be. We got lots of door hangers this month and the muted green and the brown is just cottage core vibes to the max. So I'm going to show you how I would do this little door hanger and make it super cute with a couple of pieces of greenery and be able to get $59 to $69 out of it. So I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner and I'm going to twist it. And then I'm going to come around here and twist it. Just like this. And then, because I know that this is the true center, of course, I'm going to go ahead and get some staples in that. Perfect. Now it's not going anywhere. So I oftentimes will put a little bit of glue over that like that, just so that does not scratch up somebody's door. So this month we have some eucalyptus and some lamb's ear. And we also had this deco mesh that was this caramel brown color. And I'm just going to cut it in about 10-inch pieces. I only need about 3 pieces at the most. If you need more, we can cut more, but I don't think we're going to need more. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll this. And then I'm going to give it a little. I want it more rolled than that. I want each end a little bit rolled. That's what I wanted. Okay. So I'm going to take zip ties. Give me a little scrunch. Okay. And I'm going to do this a couple more times. Just like this. Keep it pinned with your fingers. All right. So what I like to do is just make a little X. It's kind of like you're doing balloon work, right? That's what it reminds me of. So I'm going to come here. Oh, that one did not catch. See how it still poofs? It's so stinking cute when you can do that. It just always turns out really, really cute. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do, and this process, y'all, is never a long process at all. Okay. This won't take you 10 minutes to do, but the financial impact can last for much longer because you can sell these door hangers for literally $59 to $69. See how that dried? I'm going to put my eucalyptus underneath there. No glue, no shirt, no glue, no problems, right? You gotta push down on it or it won't go through. Do it underneath. Don't fight the mesh. I'm actually going to do this piece up here. I lied. I'm going to do it right here. I want that button showing on purpose. It's not going to work. Okay, now, if for some reason there's a lot in there, I am going to glue it. I'm just not going to fight it today because there's a lot for this that glue is drippy. There it goes. Now, once I get that in there, I can go back and staple it again. But right now, I just need it in there. Now, the next thing, and really the last thing is, we're going to add a bow. I am not using big, thick ribbon for this. I like 1.5 inch and 7/8 when I'm dealing with a design that is all patterned like this. I want to keep it simple. I love that this matches it perfectly. Pinch, twist, loop, pinch, twist, loop. We're going to be doing the same thing over here with 7/8 ribbon. And then I'm going to add some extra tails in there. And then I'm going to add another piece of that 7/8 right on top. I'm taking a zip tie. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to dovetail everything. Just like this. On door hangers such as this, where I have the mesh, this bow is going to be short, meaning it's not going to stick out past the sight line of that mesh. The bow is not the main event. The floral and the mesh are going to carry its own weight. Okay. Now, I am going to be stapling again. I go right up against the seam. Doesn't want to do it with that mesh. That mesh is like really causing an issue today for me. There it goes. Yeah, I got it. You just have to push really hard. But look how finished this looks in just 10 minutes time. Look how cute. Y'all, I'm going to charge $69 all day long for this. Now, there is a little piece showing right there that I'm not super duper happy with. If you have a button, that would be really cute. But I'm going to find me a little piece of this lamb's ear, and I'm just going to glue it right over it. I could have wrapped it with ribbon, but I didn't. Much cleaner now. Much, much, much cleaner. Separate all your. Look at how cute that is. Y'all, we made that in under 15 minutes. And if you want some of your mesh not to hang so far off the sight line, which I do, I am going to go ahead and restaple some of this so it never, ever, ever leaves. I'm going to come in there. there. I just needed to staple. Oh my gosh. I actually really like the way it looks with the little mesh. I think it just gives it an extra something, something. And then it has this bow right here to accent it. Super stinking cute. All right. Be blessed. I hope you make this soon and you make some money.